Hello everybody. In this quick video, I will share about how to make $1,000 a day online affiliate marketing. This will cover some more keywords, like $1,000 a day, $1,000 a day online, $1,000 a day affiliate marketing, earn $1,000 a day online, earn money online $1,000 a day, make $1,000 a day online, Clickbank for beginners, affiliate marketing step by step, make $1,000 on Clickbank. Stick on to this video until the end.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm currently making $1,000 a day. But who cares about me? How you can go ahead and ethically steal the same exact business model that I'm leveraging to generate consistently $1,000 paydays. And before I get into it, let's go ahead and actually show you some proof right now. I've been making over $7,000 in 7 days. That's averaging over $1,000 per day. Well, let's actually step behind the laptop and take a look. Boom. Hey, how's it going, guys? Eric Ellis here. So a 7-day period would be from June 8th to June 14, 2019. Today I made $497. Yesterday I made $997. But let's look at this week's gross volume. So $3,562. So now let's go to PayPal from June 8th to June 14th. So that's 1,000, that's 2,000, and then 997 equals $7,559 in 7 days. Now, if I divide that by 7, right now this current income stream is paying me over $1,079 per day. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, I'm currently leveraging $1,000 or making $1,000 per day. But how am I doing it? Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, I use something along the lines that is called affiliate marketing. If this is your first time coming across my channel, then I'll go ahead and simply break down what that is for you guys. But if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell to basically hop on board when I drop some new heat. But let's get right into it. So what is affiliate marketing? To keep it simple, you get paid to refer other people's products. Boom, that's it, right? So guys, it takes minimal work. It's not like drop shipping where you guys have to have a whole bunch of different employees and you guys have to deal with fulfillment and so on and so forth. Because I did drop shipping, I still from time to time actually leverage that business model. But this is like literally the easiest beginner business model that you guys can do. It's affiliate marketing. You guys don't have to deal with all that extra hassle. And it's the best lifestyle business. If you guys notice here, I'm currently here in my villa in Bali, Indonesia, and I only work a couple hours per week. And I work a couple hours per week because I have systems set up and I have visitors going to my web pages, buying products, and I just sit back and collect the commission. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you guys how to actually do that, but more importantly, how to generate $1,000 paydays. So let's go ahead and actually step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. The first thing you're gonna go ahead and need is a offer that pays $1,000 commissions, right? Now you guys can do it the way of where you guys sell low ticket products, and when you guys sell low ticket products, you guys can generate multiple sales volume, right? But instead, right, we're gonna work less as hard and make more money. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys 2 affiliate offers that you guys can currently promote to generate $1,000 paydays. So for this one, in that example that you guys just saw where I was making $1,000 per day, that's easy one up, right? I've currently made so far to this day $55,000 with this product. This thing turns over profit like crazy. If you guys wanna go ahead and get access to easy one up, is go to vertexwolf.com, and then once you guys go to vertexwolf.com, right, vertexwolf.com, it should come up against the screen, right? You guys feel free to watch this video, but if you guys want, right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and create your name. So let's just say my name was Bill, and then let's just say my name was Nye, right? Bill Nye, and obviously you're gonna wanna put in the right information, but BillNye@gmail.com, right? And then what you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is you're gonna go ahead and wanna go to the next step. It's gonna go ahead and drop down, and you guys are gonna be able to actually leverage these same tools and materials to generate commissions yourself. But what you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna wanna sign up as an affiliate. Now, what is Easy One Up? Easy One Up is basically sells digital marketing education. What you guys are gonna do, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a second, you guys are gonna be able to leverage the same exact web page that I'm using, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and show myself as the affiliate. And then once you guys do this, you guys are gonna go ahead and put in your information to become an affiliate. You're gonna create a free account, and then it's gonna go ahead and give you guys multiple options. So to save some time, I'm not gonna go there, but basically it's gonna have anywhere from $25 to $2,000. Now the price points that you're gonna wanna look at is the $1,000 and the $2,000 level. Why? Because not only are you gonna go ahead and get more education, but you're also gonna be able to resell this product at 100% commission. So literally at the $1,000 level, which is called Vertex Pro, right? It's basically digital marketing education, rate training. But what you can do is you can actually become a franchisee. So you'll be able to literally resell this product at $1,000 commission. So if you guys saw all those $1,000, $2,000 paydays, it's because I'm literally just reselling this product. So instead of creating my own product, I'm selling theirs, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do that in a second. However, this is the type of product that you guys want to go ahead and promote if you are willing to close sales yourself. Now, if you're the type of person who doesn't like talking to people and you don't want to go ahead and talk to people yourself, if you kind of want like a done for you sales process, then Legendary Marketer. I've made $23,831 with this product. Now, if you guys look here, if you guys want to become a Legendary Marketer, you guys can literally go to Marketer Wolf, right? Marketerwolf.com. If you sign up to these affiliate programs with my affiliate link, then you're going to be a part of my team, and then I can go ahead and give you guys the training required to actually be successful. Okay, so this is what it should look like. So I will make sure I change that for you guys, but basically when you guys go to marketerwolf.com, you guys are going to be able to literally watch this video, Dave Sharp, and then you'll be able to basically get started. Now what it's going to be is it's going to be $37 per month. You're going to basically have a 15-day challenge where you're going to be speaking to a coach. Once you're speaking to a coach, they're going to go ahead and basically explain to you different levels that'll make the most sense to you. And the starter package, right, is going to be a $2,500 package, right? Now, this is basically a $2,500 package that you're basically getting access to digital marketing education. But not only are you getting access to the education, you're going to be able to franchise this product. So you're going to be able to resell this product at 40% commission. Now guys, Easy One Up has 100% commission, but if you don't want to close sales yourself, or you want somebody to close sales for you, okay, cool. You're going to go ahead and have to pay a percentage of that to the actual closer. And because it's kind of hands off, right, you're only going to go ahead and get paid 40% commissions. But basically, what's going to happen is you guys are going to be able to go to marketerwolf.com, sign up to become an affiliate. And then once you guys sign up to become an affiliate, and the reason why I'm saying the product is not affiliate available right now is because I'm currently in Indonesia right now, Bali, Indonesia. So this is only available for selective countries. But the next thing that you guys are going to want to do is once you guys become an affiliate, it's going to go ahead and give you guys access to these promo materials. So one is going to be, and again, I'll go ahead and actually show you guys how to get access to these as well. You're going to get access to this sales page right here, and you're going to get access to this sales page, not that one right there, but you'll get access to this sales page, and you'll get access to, not that one, this sales page. So doesn't matter whether you guys are doing Easy One Up or Funnel X ROI, you guys are going to go ahead and get access to these sales pages. These sales pages are going to do 100% of the selling. A percentage of the people are going to become leads and aren't going to go ahead and buy up front. Those people who don't buy up front, you'll be responsible for closing them 100% and get 100% commission with Easy One Up. If you don't want to close them yourself, you guys can do Legendary Marketer. And if you guys do Legendary Marketer, that is somebody else is going to go ahead and close the sales, but instead of 100% commission, you'll get 40% commissions. Now guys, at the end of the day, 40% commission of $2,500 is a $1,000 commission payout. So all you guys have to do is figure out how to get people to the sales page. And once you get people to these sales pages, you want either the coach to close them for you or you to close them for you. But how do we get people to this actual process? Now what I do is I leverage something called a sales funnel. So this is my sales funnel. It's called ericsnewbook.com. And basically what I do is I give something away for free, right, to this little web page. And I leverage a software called ClickFunnels. You guys can literally, in my recommended resources down below, you guys can start a free trial. Down below in my recommended training, you guys can go to recommended training. There's gonna be a sales funnel training, and it'll teach you guys how to actually build these sales funnels. But basically, you guys can build these sales funnels, give away free things, and then in exchange, you're gonna go ahead and ask for people's email. And then once you get access to that email, there's gonna be something called a bridge page where you're literally gonna just be recommending people to these affiliate products. So what I'm going to do is the one that I'm currently promoting, right, with my sales funnel is in this 39-second video, I'm going to be recommending them to my Funnel X ROI, which is my Easy One Up account. So they're going to go to watch this video. A percentage of the people are going to go and actually go to the next step in the process, and they're going to go ahead and buy. But the people who don't buy, I now have those leads. And just to show you guys in my Easy One Up back office, I have 1,200 unpaid members. So those are essentially leads. It's my job to go ahead and actually follow up with those unpaid members. It gives me the name, the phone number, the email. So that way I can actually get these people on the phone. Once I get people on the phone, I'll convert them into a $1,000 or a $2,000 sale. So with that being said, that's the sales funnel process. But what happens is when people don't buy initially, when they go through my sales funnel, I'm capturing their email basically showing them step by step how to do, or not step by step. I'm capturing their email and I'm following up with them with what is called email marketing, right? So I'm going to capture that email. I'm going to start building an email list. I'm literally going to be sending them emails. And the cool thing is that I can go ahead and send people emails to either Easy One Up, Legendary Marketer, or any other affiliate marketing products that are congruent with the audience that I am building. My specific audience is in the make money online niche. People who are trying to go ahead and make money online, who want to go ahead and travel the world like I do, who want to live life on their own terms, be their own boss, so on and so forth. So that's what I do. I go ahead and teach people how to make money online, and I go ahead and basically get people to that funnel who are trying to make money online, and I follow these people who aren't who did not buy the first time, and I just send them back to that page. Now, how do we get people to this actual page? The most frequent methods that I currently use is basically YouTube video marketing, right? So if you noticed 3 hours ago, I dropped a video and 118 people viewed that video, and I'm always creating content on YouTube around making money online. And basically, I just have call to actions throughout my content for people to click the links, and then the links that they're clicking are affiliate links. That's one method. The second method that I use is something called Udemy. So you guys can go to the recommended resources section down below. If you guys go to the recommended resources, it'll say like traffic source. And this is basically a traffic source where you guys can find people who are selling traffic. And basically, if they have a huge email list, they're going to go ahead and redirect their email list or their email traffic to your affiliate links. So you can literally buy 500 clicks, they'll send 100 clicks. But the key, guys, to making $1,000 days is not the traffic source, it's not your funnel, it's the actual affiliate product that you are selling. Instead of selling low ticket products and getting $37 commissions or $50 commissions or $100 commissions, I do both. But if you guys want to earn $1,000 paydays, you have to have the right offer, so that way you can work less as hard and make more money. And the way we're going to go ahead and do that, guys, depending on whether you want to go ahead and if you want to go to close the sales yourself, if you don't mind hopping on the phone with people, you're going to go to vertexwolf.com. And then once you guys go to Vertex Wolf, and guys, the only way you guys can earn $1,000 commissions with Easy One Up is if you guys sign up for the $1,000 price point, right? That's one. And then the second one, if you don't want to close sales yourself, right, you guys can go to marketerwolf.com. And once you guys go to marketerwolf.com, I know this is the wrong link right here, but I'm going to go ahead and switch up that link for you guys, so that way when you guys go to that link, it'll go ahead and go to the actual sales page. You guys can sign up as an affiliate, speak to a coach. They'll recommend the best price point for you. I recommend minimum the $2,500 price point, so that way you guys can earn $1,000 commissions. And then you're going to want to set up your sales automation. You're going to want to drive traffic. And if you guys really want to go ahead and learn how to drive traffic, right? And if you guys are extremely lazy, literally in the recommended affiliate programs, there's going to be a section down below. Recommended affiliate programs, you guys can literally just go ahead and click the links in my descriptions. So hopefully you guys gain value from that. Guys, this has set me free. I've made my first $100,000 online through this business model. It's allowed me to build my dream life, live life on my own terms, be able to travel the world, spend time with my friends, my family. Instead of slaving away behind some job, I work a couple hours per week. I travel the world. I just enjoy my life, right? And if you guys want to do that, you guys have to learn this skill set. And the best way to do it is by earning $1,000 commissions. So go to those websites, go to the resources, take action, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. With that being said, your boy, as always, Eric Ellis Jr., the Wolf of Marketing, checking out.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep.